How to use compound path in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. The compound path is available in the Modify panel. Step 2. You can also access the Modify panel from the top bar. Go to the Panels tab and select Modify. Step 3. The compound paths has two features: Make and Release. Step 4. Go to Shapes, select a square and draw out the shape on the mat. Step 5. If you are using a flexi shape, right-click on it and select Convert to Path to turn it into a solid object. Step 6. Change the placement and add color to the design. Step 7. Click and drag a bounding box around the two shapes to select them. Right-click and select Make Compound Path. Step 8. Alternatively, you can also select the shapes and click Make on the Modify panel. Step 9. This will merge the two objects into one, and the shape of the object that was overlapping the other object will be excluded. Step 10. The design can be turned back into individual objects with Release Compound Path. Step 11. To release, simply click Release in the Modify panel. Step 12. Alternatively, you can right-click the compound path and click Release Compound Path. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.